They'll never get go tomorrow morning.
The wolves. Feed to the wolves.
You can share now.
Oh, it's, okay.
Read the tag.
Come over today. Is it? Do you think?
Yes.
So, yeah. You can say thank you.
Go for enough.
Yes,
Go
Sophie.
for and no one.
Wow.
Ooh, nice red leggings.
Nice.
Oh, beautiful top. Yeah.
You can put it down. They're not going to go anywhere.
Oh, nice dress. Yeah, beautiful. This is from Uncle Stefan. You say, what do you say, girls?
Thank you.
Louder. You gotta say it louder.
That's for Dave. That's for Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy! Go, 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 go!
Oh, for me.
Yeah, this is for both of us.
I think that's for me.
Yeah. This is for Mommy. No, it's for Daddy.
That's my yoga top. Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely. It's got support up top. Yeah, I was thinking this is for Sophie.
That's
Appropriate
No.
for Sophie.
No, for Daddy.
Ooh,
Sophie.
Bernstein Bear is perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Mommy, who's this for?
That says to me from Stefan. That's for me. You should know how to read your name, sweetie. I know both of our names start with S. But okay, girls. Is there another one to open? All right.
Who is this from?
To Sophie. Yes, from
Yes.
Uncle Stefan and Auntie Trisha.
Where's this from?
To the Pinsons from the Wilhelms. All right. Ria, you can open that. There we go. That's for you. Nice leggings.
Wow.
Careful.
Oh.
Ria.
Hey, and that's your school colors. That's Ricketts color. Perfect. You like it?
Egg jar.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
What's that, 8 cups? Nice.
Okay. Well, what do we all say?
Thank you. We'll cook some up when you come over next.
Mommy,
All right, good.
thank you. Heidi lit my nose.
All right, Heidi, you want to say
Heidi, thank you. Not to me.
All right. Bye-bye.
Careful. Careful. Careful.